Hi there, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'm the baseball coach here at Alfred State College, and I'm excited to be here talking to you today and give you a little bit of information about our program. We are a developmental program, which means our number one priority is to help our players develop on and off the field as much as they can in their 4 years here at Alfred State. Alfred State College has so many wonderful things to offer to our students and graduates, and my mission as a baseball coach here is to contribute to that mission as much as we can. We want to prepare our players for the workforce, we want to prepare them for life after baseball, and while they're here we want to help them become the best baseball player and best man that they can become, so that they can go out and serve our society and make Alfred State proud. Over the last few years, we've been building steadily to become one of the most competitive teams in our conference, and we have nothing but high expectations for the years to come. We hope that you'll want to learn more about our team and the college, and I hope that you'll come and visit me in person and let us know if you're interested in playing baseball at Alfred State. Thanks.